Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Panda here. I got a little bit of a Telesin surprise for you. This is the packages from Telesin. So, disclaimer, I do want to say thank you to Telesin for sending this out. We're doing a live unboxing at Blue Martinez Skate Park here in Brooklyn, New York City, ladies and gentlemen. So, subscribe, like, and share. And make sure that you support the channel. You click on the affiliate links. If you like something in the video, I will have the links down in the descriptions below. So, with that said, everyone, I'm going to open this one. It seems like the easiest and the more practical one. No scissors required. Alright. None of this nonsense, but we got an invoice that tells us this is the neck mount SE 2.0 with the air cushion, adjustable chest strap with the neck mount, hands-free POV, login for the GoPro or whatever your smartphone. And here is what Telesin sent me, so you guys can see in very transparency. This is what they wanted to send me. I didn't ask for all this. So in the unboxing, you get the adapter to the, mind you, 20-quarter thread. So this is for the GoPro. Then you get a regular hot shoe with the 20 thread, but this is for the phones. So keep that in mind. And now we have the action camera neck mount 2.0. Now they had a 1.0, I never tried it, so we're gonna go straight and unbox this one as well. Let me get my trusty little cutter. And in the box, it's sharing some very important details. Look how neat that looks. Alright, maybe JJC needs to learn from this experience because their unboxing was kind of not so similar. Everything was in order, but in the JJC boxing, their stuff was in a package. So you get the net mount. Oh wow, this one feels very nice though. Not gonna lie, this one feels very nice in the hand, everybody. And it's not so big as the JJC, so that's cool. And as you can see, you get your bar tightening, so you tighten down whatever GoPro that you are using. Yeah, this unboxing is a little bit. You got another 20 thread adapter for the GoPro, or if you want to put something on this adapter, you can. So take it with a grain of salt. And you get the strap. So I'm gonna put all this stuff back in because I don't want to really mess it up, because I gotta do an Instagram vid. But give you guys context that this is the new one from Telesin. It's much smaller. This feels much lighter than the one I have. But yeah, you click this button here, unleash it. So the center button, lock, goes around the neck. It's smaller too, so keep that in mind. But let's see if we can put it back the way we had it. See that? Boom.
How long have you been skateboarding? We'll say at least almost a decade, right?
Put that back in the box for now. Oh, this one might not go in. Yeah, this one's a little weird. All right, now this is what everyone's been waiting for. This iPhone 17 Pro bundle case from Telesin. All right, in the box, we get the Telesin Master Grip. Everyone, this is the Master Grip.
Turn around and hit you up and ask you.
As you can see, a 3200 milliamp hour battery inside the grip. So keep that in mind. You get a physical filter expansion because they're all magnetic. And you get app controls. In the back, it tells you what you get inside the box. But wait till we open the box. All right? And as you can see, this is the side panel of that box. So, with that said, just open this bad boy up and let's see all the goodies inside. And let's just move this out the way.
You know who won yesterday? Well, I asked him what he did and nobody responded to it.
Thanks. So here is the master grip for the iPhone 17 Pro. Now this is what I asked for because I want to plan to get a 17. Ooh, that was a poor unboxing, I guess. But I want to show everyone inside. This is what you get inside the box. You get the Telesin phone iPhone 17 Pro case. It's super light. Super light. I thought it was going to be heavy, but it's not heavy at all. In this box, you get a couple of things, like, let's see here. Oh, so, we got a microfiber cloth. We have a Telesin C3 magnetic selfie ring, like manual guide. We also get the Telesin master grip guide. We get an installation auxiliary tool. And we get a screen protector for our iPhone 17 Pro, which is a nice addition. Now, I don't know about the clarity or the strength of it, but I think I want to send this to someone for testing. He's good at what he does. Inside here, you get the, mind you, handle grip and the cable.
Even that, you being honest with yourself, enough is going to happen.
All right, and then, oh, I like this one. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. So this is very... Yo, Jay, look at this, bro.
Double key ring with a lock.
That is so cool. That is so cool. Yeah, JJC. I hope you guys are watching this video so you can also try to make something similar. You get the USB cable. You get the ring light. Look at this ring light. Oh my panda. This ring light is sick. And you get a mirror. Ooh, it's hello. Hello there, Maven Filters. Hello. How you doing, sir? How you doing, Maven Filters? That's what I shoot on, everybody. I suggest copping a pair of these Maven filters. They are the best filters I ever used for photography and video. And this is the magnetic screen or camera protector or filter. I'm going to call this the UV filter. And inside the box is the Telesin grip. And already I feel this feels so much better in the hand. Oh, has a built-in battery, but this is what I'm going to use it for. Look at that. Oh. Look how strong the magnetics are. Look how strong the magnetics are for that. Sorry, I have the microphone on that, but I just want to show you guys, look how strong that looks. That is very impressive. That's very impressive. That's very impressive, as you can see. Now, you got your function button, power button, shutter, lock. Zoom, whatever you want to program this to. But I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a game changer. Thank you, Tessin, for sending this out to me. Does it have any battery? Let's see here. We may have to charge it, but thank you, Tessin, for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. My name is ThePandaPhotographer, everyone. And Tessin sent me a very cool accessories for the iPhone 17 Pro. So with that said, this has been my unboxing experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed what you have seen here today. This is sick. I like this grip. It feels like a camera. It feels like I'm holding one of my professional cameras. And I like it. So with that said, thank you everyone for watching. Support, like, share. With that said, Eat, Sleep, Photography, Pete, and Tessin. See you guys in the next video. Peace.